The outside of a modest cabin house measuring 4.3 by 8.3 meters is recognizable due to the work that makes up the majority of the sheathing material. The small cabin home has a front opening mechanism with a large amount of the clear glass. This could be as a result of the potential for a lovely and appealing view from the front of the property. This little log house makes the most of its inside space while also including a lobby area for guests or used as a place to unwind. As we can see, the interior design adheres to a clear-cut basic principle. The back portion's spatial organization is vertical, with the bedroom above the kitchen and the cooking area in particular. This is intriguing because the designer actually makes use of vertical as well as horizontal space. The second floor balcony at the front of the structure, which makes use of the top hall space, is what makes this tiny log house unique. In reality, the second floor balcony serves as both as balcony and a shade structure, providing enough natural light to illuminate the inside space while providing shade from intense sunlight outside. Because it employs a hue that contrasts with the room's general interior color, a blend of orange and dark gray, the furniture in this living room section is rather unusual. The interior color of the room is still beautiful despite the color conflict. The remarkable thing about this space, despite its overall minimalist design, is the colorful painting boards that adorn the walls, particularly in the living room area. These painting boards are made up of two different kinds of geometry, square paintings and rectangular shapes. This tiny cabin house kitchen design is an L-shaped kitchen that combines natural and beautiful material textures with a hint of wood texture finishing material and plain white walls. Next to the kitchen in the back of the space is where you will find the restroom and toilet, with the arrangement of bathroom fixtures in the shape of a closet, shower cabin, and sink with wall mirror. The floor and wall finishing materials in this bathroom seem rather straightforward but nevertheless beautiful. A tiny cabin house spatial layout need not be as strict as it would be in larger homes. Instead, it can explore areas of the room or specific architectural features that could improve the structure's quality. In this instance, exploring the terrace area with a balcony above it becomes a unique and creative feature that adds to the tiny cabin house unique design. Thank you so much to everyone who followed this video through to this conclusion. I hope it serves as inspiration and a resource for tiny house design for all of us, and I appreciate you viewing and I hope you enjoy the next one.